Understanding Statutory Obligation, a simple guide. Hello and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the world of legal English with a focus on the phrase, statutory obligation. This may sound complicated, but don't worry. We're here to break it down for you in simple terms. By the end of this video, you'll understand what a statutory obligation is and how it applies to real-life scenarios. Statutory obligation refers to a requirement imposed by a law passed by a government body. In simpler terms, it's a duty that you're legally required to fulfill because it's been established in a statute. Statutes are laws enacted by the legislature of a country or a state. Therefore, a statutory obligation is not optional, it's a must-do under the law. For instance, paying taxes, adhering to labor laws, and following safety regulations are all examples of statutory obligations. If these obligations are not met, there could be legal consequences such as fines, penalties, or other forms of legal action. Understanding your statutory obligations is crucial because it helps you navigate legal requirements in various aspects of life, including business, employment, and personal conduct. Being aware of these obligations ensures that you remain in compliance with the law, thereby avoiding potential legal issues. For businesses, statutory obligations can cover a wide range of areas such as environmental regulations, employment laws, and consumer rights. For individuals, this might involve understanding laws related to taxation, vehicle registration, and housing. To give you a clearer picture, let's look at some common examples of statutory obligations. 1. Paying taxes. Individuals and companies are required by law to pay taxes to the government. 2. Following employment laws. Employers must adhere to minimum wage laws, provide safe working environments, and avoid discrimination in the workplace. 3. Adhering to health and safety regulations. This includes following safety guidelines in public spaces and workplaces to protect yourself and others. We hope this video has shed some light on the concept of statutory obligations for you. Understanding these legal duties is essential for navigating various aspects of life confidently and lawfully. Remember, knowledge of the law empowers you to fulfill your obligations and protect your rights. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content. Stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more English language learning tips.